All right, it's a few days later. I have flipped the legs down onto the ground. They actually are sitting really nice. You'll notice the shim. I had the shim under this side. That's because the concrete's not level. I had the same shim underneath the sawhorses. What I'm going to do next is I need to drill some holes through these 2x4s so that I can insert these screws up from the bottom just to hold the top. I'm not really worried about the top going anywhere, but I also, it's so heavy, I need to, if I ever move, I'm gonna need to be able to take this apart. So I went and picked up these guys here. These are those new Power Lag, and I like these because they had a nice flat, large washer on top. Just did a little experimentation to figure out what hole size, gives me a good bite. And I have this little jig, which is gonna work nicely for holding me centered, so I drilled perfectly straight through. All right, my table is now complete. I started out with a tree, learned a bunch of new skills along the way in how to cut joinery and new finishing techniques, and I have successfully built what I think to be a beautiful table. If you like these kind of projects and like watching me learn new skills, consider subscribing, because I'll be doing more of this stuff in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you on the next video.